Welcome to social media, everyone, and happy to have all of you back. And today I stumbled upon, I'm not sure if it's famous yet, but it's a South Indian restaurant. It's one of the few in Meghalaya, and its name is Southern Taste Restaurant. If you've not been there, maybe you should check it out. It's somewhere in North Tamai. If you're from Shillong, you'll be very familiar with that locality as well. So to all of the viewers, I hope you enjoyed this video. Continue watching. Masala Dosa is something that I've ordered today, and I hope I like it, but you can check it out yourself, come experience, because the restaurant has a very good ambience. Hope you enjoy this video.
So you can see, so this is what I ordered. This is the Masala Dosa, and if you're Indian, you'd know what is Masala Dosa. It's dosa with potatoes inside this masala or plain dosa covering. Along with the dosa, you can also see the sambar, coconut chutney on the right, and the tomato chutney on the left.
And you also have the coconut chutney, and it's not spicy. This is great. And we also have, I think this is like a mixture of tomatoes and chilies mashed together, maybe with a little bit of secret ingredients here and there.
So this is what it looks like inside a masala dosa.
Have my first bite, and we'll see from there. You don't use a spoon to eat masala dosa. You use your hands, and you have a little bit in your hands. You can dip in any of these chutneys. Not bad.
While I'm still eating my masala dosa, here's a look at some of the pictures that's on the walls of this restaurant. We have, for example, like this Kathakali, very famous dance of Kerala, and we have the elephants over there. Looks like somewhere in a palace in Mysore in Karnataka, and we have a lot of South Indian influence in this restaurant, ranging from the decor inside, of course the menu. Another special thing about this restaurant is that they also sell a lot of packed items like banana chips, potato chips. Of course, South India is also very famous for banana chips. So if you drop by this restaurant, you can have a look at the other things that they do sell. I'm sure all these products are imported from any of the South Indian states. I just had a fill of masala dosa. There's still some chutney remaining and the sambar, but I finished all of the potatoes. because I love them potatoes.
Alright folks, we just had masala dosa and I don't know why. It was a little bit salty, but there has been instances before that I've had masala dosa here and it was really good. So I will not judge this restaurant based on what happened today. But right now I also thought of having a little bit of tomato rice, and if you're fond of that, maybe you should try. And this is how it looks like.
There we go folks, hope you enjoyed this video, and like I mentioned earlier, this is not an official review of the restaurant, but just wanted to share a little bit of my experience when I visited Southern Taste Restaurant in North Mai, Shillong. Please comment below if you've been there and share us your experience as well.